Can Nvidia really surpass Apple to become the most valuable company in the world? In just 9 days, Nvidia added a staggering $517 billion to its market value, eclipsing the entire world of order. Let's dig deeper to see how far Nvidia can go.
It's been an astounding year for Nvidia, with its stock skyrocketing by nearly 179% in 2024. Since the start of 2023, the stock has surged by an incredible 800%. Nvidia, with $61 billion in revenue last year, now approaches Apple's $3.52 trillion market cap.
Jensen Huang, Nvidia's founder and CEO, is also riding high on this success. His net worth soared from $14 billion to $121 billion in less than 2 years. This leap places him as the 11th richest person globally, surpassing notable figures like Michael Dell and Amancio Ortega. For context, companies like Oracle, MasterCard, and Home Depot have market caps that pale in comparison to Nvidia's. The value increase Nvidia had experienced in just 9 days is larger than Oracle's entire market cap. This is astonishing, considering Nvidia earned less than $30 billion in net profits last year. But here's the real question: can Nvidia overtake Apple? With the high demand for their new Blackwell chip and the booming AI trend, they might just pull it off. However, is this hype sustainable in the long run?
Picture Nvidia and Apple facing off in a boxing ring. Nvidia is ready with its AI knockout punch, while Apple calmly responds, "I've got 3 trillion reasons not to care." It's a battle of titans with different strengths.
What do you think? Will Nvidia dethrone Apple, or is this rise just temporary? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into the stock market's biggest movers.